Thank you, Father Fraser. May I now invite Mr. Naresh Gupta, who's President of JAI, to address you all. Mr. Gupta.
Good morning. I am still jet lagged, so if there's some errors, please don't mind. Very Reverend Father Fraser, Chief Guest for the morning, Mr. Ramesh Ramanathan, another Jesuit alumni, for Mr. Imtiaz, President of West Zone, Mr. Sapat Shah, Secretary of JAI, Mr. Garaj, Secretary of West Zone, Pramod Mathur, who's traveled with me, the UJA Governing Council member, World Union. My dear alumni friends of West Zone, guests, ladies and gentlemen, I also acknowledge Bobby, our JAI treasurer. First of all, I'm thankful to the organizers for inviting me to this Congress and giving me an opportunity to meet and interact with all of you. I was here during the last National Congress held at Mumbai in 2003 when we had a dinner at St. Javiers at that point of time, 2003. I'm very happy and impressed and eagerly waiting for the outcome of this Congress, as the theme of this Congress is very appealing, go social, and it's very relevant and apt for the day. JAI, some of you may not be knowing about it, it's called Federation of Jesuit Alumni Associations of India, is the collective body of all the Jesuit alumni associations of India. It has been formed with the motto to give and not to count the cost. We, the Jesuit alumna, are the inheritors of the Ignatian legacy of education and also the beneficiaries, as we got our education at one of these Jesuit education institutions. We all are bonded in love and fellowship. We affirm that we all will always endeavor to be men and women for others, and that we are partners in the Jesuit efforts of forming human beings grown to their full potential, freed from all bondage, who will give themselves to the service of the others. The main purpose and objectives of formation of JAI is to bring all Jesuit alumni associations of India together for consolidating the voice and efforts of the Jesuit alumni of India, and to provide a forum for networking, interaction and exchange of ideas and thoughts between different alumni associations of the India. To encourage formation of alumni associations in Jesuit institutions in India where such associations are not existing, and also to revitalize the existing associations and to make them active. Just last month in West Zone in Ahmedabad, near Ahmedabad, a new association has been formed. So similarly, we are trying and making effort to form regularly associations and encouraging them to come forward and be part of the movement. To foster links with alumni associations in other parts of the world, and to act as the voice of the Jesuit alumni associations of India, and to represent them before the world bodies like World Union of Jesuit Alumni, and to participate in the World Congress. Incidentally, at the last World Congress, Indian delegation was the highest from anywhere in the world. To play a constructive role in the shaping of public policies in favor of secularism, elevation of poverty, empowerment of women, upliftment of marginalized, safeguarding of human rights, preservation of the environment, and spreading the literacy. JAI has been involved in various activities on itself, like blood donation drive, alumni exchange program with Spain, philanthropic activities, arranging scholarship to African students and giving admission to them in various colleges in India. The next World Congress is next year, 2013, August, at Colombia, Medellin, and I invite each and every one of you to try to attend this Congress. Colombian Host Association is making an all-out effort to make it a very purposeful and meaningful Congress. And it also gives an opportunity to meet alumni members from all over the world, across the globe. We can know that there is a Jesuit alumni from Australia or America or Europe or Spain or anywhere else in the world. We at JAI seek your cooperation to work together hand in hand in helping the helpless and making the society a better place to live. I extend my warm regards and prayers for the well-being of all of you. Thank you very much.